yes I do. I don't know where the other two are at. They're up under there. That is a makeshift kitty box for them. They're getting ready to go outside. Let's see if I can go up down in here. I can't see them. No, I can't. But they're there somewhere. Yeah, there they are. Oh my goodness. Alright, that's dark. But they're happy little kitties. Yeah, you know, pains sometimes. They're playing. I was trying to escape. I'm trying to escape? Oh, stop it. There, play with that. Quit being crazy. Can't escape. Even though they do escape. Well, this is just a little quick video. I got them little toys. And they're playing with them. As long as they're happy. They like that little ball. Yay! Anyways, I don't want to make a long story short. I've learned a lot about little meow meow kittens. And they do take a lot of time and patience, but I think I'm doing a good job. Later.